The complimentary breakfast. Jacaranda FM.
Right, so I'm the one in the complimentary breakfast team that has been allocated with the shopping part. So Ashley's given me this list of things to get. It's a long day, but we're going to do it all for you, Adele, especially from the complimentary breakfast. Well, we've got the first item on the list so far. I'm going to go with full cream. They didn't specify whether they want 2% low fat or anything. So yeah, milk done. What do we use? Back bacon. Shoulder bacon. Back bacon. At least we got the macaroni pasta now. I don't know if I'm supposed to get German mustard, but it's all hot. Is mustard supposed to be hot? Do you think they eat peppers? Now they do. My favorite spot in the shop, something that I actually know about, and that is wine. Some snacks for afterwards, some Ferrero Rochers, enough to go around, I gotta tell you. So we're at the checkout now. My part of the day is so far done. I'm gonna go drop this off, and Ashley's gonna take over and she's gonna make the meal for you guys, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it because she makes a wicked macaroni.
So we've just arrived at Adele's house. Poor woman. We've taken over the house and told her she has to go and put her feet up. Time to make some dinner. On the menu tonight, macaroni cheese, her daughter's favourite menu. So I thought I'd do a bit of a salad as well and maybe a bit of dessert too. So, gotta get cooking.
Ja, ek sit hier saam met Megan en ons gaan nou huiswerk doen, né? Watter graad is jy?
1.
Okay, ek hoop nie jy het moeilike huiswerk nie. Het jy moeilike huiswerk?
Nee.
Wel, Adele Lawson is so blitsig en vinnig met alle goeders wat sy moet doen. Sy het al klaar halfwas gedoen. So nou het ek en Maljan gesê ons gaan haar kar was. Wel, sy was haar eie kar, so ek hoop ek gaan 'n goeie job doen.
I'm just frying bacon, guys. It's not a newsworthy event.
My gunsteling ene.
Ja, man, het jy nog nie man gehad. Naam gehad, maat gehad, man.
Okay, the hardest thing that I really found here is getting off children's fingerprints. I don't really wash my car myself, but this is an experience, and I believe from now on I will actually wash my own car.
Dis lid. Ek's dom, jy moet my maar leer.
Whew, okay, we're done. We've got our very tasty macaroni cheese. I don't know if the Master Chef judges would give it 10 out of 10, but I'd eat it. I'm not picky. Lovely green salad, and then we've also made some lovely strawberry ice cream, which Maljan beat into a pulp. So thank you, Molly, for all your help there. And some nice jelly and custard for Megan for pudding tonight. So it's done. Supper's ready.
Hoorie Megan, dankie. Jy het vir my mooi stories gelees. En ek het geleer van streep en ek het geleer van die rooi vark, né? En wat was die ander boekie wat ons gelees het?
By die skool.
Oh ja. So, hoe skryf 'n mens saad?
S-A-A-D.
Mooi.
Dit was lekker, maar nou is dit klaar. Sy is definitief superwoman om elke keer te doen. Wat nou?
Jy het 'n spot gemis.
Weet jy?
Het alles vir my gedoen. Baie dankie. Ek het nie geweet wat om te doen met my tyd nie. Ek het nie geweet nie. Dit was baie ongewoon vir my. Baie dankie.
But I guess all that I really want to say to you and to all the millions of mums out there who are so amazing and who do this every single day without complaining and often without thanks. Happy Mother's Day.
The complimentary breakfast.
SA's best mix from the 80s, 90s, and now.
The complimentary breakfast. Jacaranda FM.